take off the cap, throw it on. Just like that, I've already shrunk it down so much smaller, less bulky, less annoying to deal with, really. This is a quick review of these vacuum storage bags. Really cool, picked it up recently, want to show the size. This is the jumbo extra large bag. Show this first. Really is quite a beefy bag. So that's the ultra jumbo. Here's the larger one here. So kind of compare them together so you see what you're getting. I'm gonna use the ultra jumbo for my blankets and stuff. I'll show that in just a second here. So the large, extra large, 4 of each of those, or yeah, you have 3 jumbo, 3 large, and then 12 medium and 12 small. So here's your medium, compare them side by side. Here's your small. Go ahead and set these up and show you guys what it looks like once you put the vacuum pump on it. Very straightforward. Let you guys hear the pump right here. 2 to turn it on. Really simple, not too loud. Blanket here that's big. Again, just using this as an example. You could do this with clothes. You could do this with just about anything. But just as an idea of how fast this thing goes. Almost done. Oh yeah, nice and firm. Hardly any air left. Loving that style. Just like that, I throw the cap back on. I have a vacuum sealed blanket. Here, I'm just gonna stuff this real cursory, get some of the air out myself, just like that. Already a little bit better. Now throw the vacuum pump on it, take off the cap, throw it on. Already getting a lot of space. Ooh, it just sucks it right down. You can see it. Really simple. Really easy, and just like that, I've already shrunk it down so much smaller, less bulky, less annoying to deal with, really. And you saw how I just kind of threw that in there, so it's a really cool feature. Got it sealed up, pop it open, you're good to go. So overall, highly recommend it. Again, I've never had a vacuum sealer like this for my clothes, used it for other things, and really happy with it. Really like the bag quality, and just even, you know, maybe I don't need to vacuum seal it, maybe I'm traveling, but like the double seal is really nice. And then this is just nice, big, and beefy for whatever I need to do for the vacuum pump.